Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina. If this is the first time you're stopping by, I guess I know it's been a minute, but that's because I've been battling issues mentally, and if you're not okay mentally, you cannot process and do all that stuff. I hope you understand what I'm trying to get to. But yeah, so today I'm going to be doing an extreme deep cleaning because I think I am in an okay space now, and also I want to just change the general aesthetic of my room because I thought I was going to move out of my grandma's house, but turns out you can pay rent, but furniture is very expensive. Okay, my intro is becoming really long. What I'm about to show you, PSA, it is a chaotic mess, but mind you, I do not live like this every day. It is just for today, and also because I kind of started cleaning the night, but I was waiting for the morning so that I can get I can get more lighting, and also because the way my room is right now, my ring light cannot stand there, or a tripod, or anything for that matter. So I really had to wait for the morning to come so that I can do a proper intro and a proper video. With that said, this is what we are working with. I had white wallpaper, which you probably saw in my earlier videos. Underneath my white wallpaper is my blue wall, which sometime when they repainted the house, I woke up and I said I didn't like the cream wall, so I painted it blue. I'm going to repaint it, obviously, because wallpaper is expensive, so painting is a cheaper option. So you can see like the white paint that was underneath the, what's the thing called, the cream paint that was underneath the blue paint, and then my wallpaper, and then some wallpaper that has stuck to the thing. This video is going to be very long. Oh yeah, so this is the bed. My bed just has a mixture of hair, bags, dresses, stuff, just generally a combination of everything that is in my room. Like MP2 is on my bed right now, and then I'm showing my wardrobe, and then I'm just showing you like my shoes, where I keep my leather fabrics for my bag making tutorials, some of my books, some stuff. Generally, there is a lot of stuff in my room. There is so much stuff in so many places that I don't even know how I used to wake up and function as a human being. See, even where I kept my laptop. Anyways, I'm just showing you people. The initial video was me talking and showing you people detailing every single thing that is in my room. Like I was literally just cataloging it, and nobody wants to hear that, nobody wants to see that. So this is just the overall mess. I'm trying to show you all the angles in my small room that I have, and how I'm going to make the room bigger, and how I'm going to make my room feel spacey and still have all of this stuff, because the only thing that I end up giving away are my dresses that I end up just splitting my cupboard and saying, you know what, I'm not going to wear all of these clothes, all of them should go. And yeah, this is still stuff, my books, and also some books from school. I don't even know why there's Indomie and ABC there. Like why? So here's the fun part. Here is the cleaning. I'm going to start by ripping this thing down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to replace it with like this ruffled kind of thing to add like dramatic flair to the room, and also still containing, like still hiding all of this stuff, because my shelf doesn't have doors. As you can see, I've advanced the cleaning where I can now see the floor, and I have also kept some things in my shelf, and I've also put some shoes together. I'm just going to keep continuing sorting out things and seeing which one I want to throw away, which one I'll be giving out, and which one I'll be keeping until I finally reach somewhere. Again, I decided to move my bed because I wanted to change the feng shui of my room, and that is like the aesthetic that I'm going for over there. Yeah, so I've just decided to take a break and show you guys my mood vision board for this, and I hope that you see this and you actually like see the vision that I have for what I want the room to be. In case you're not somebody who vibes with vision boards, here is a quick sped video so that you actually like see all of my ideas that I'm working with as I'm trying to make this room reality come to pass. So these are a couple of pictures I took from Pinterest. I am having fingers crossed that none of these pictures is copyrighted, so that they don't strike this video and so that I can leave this video up. But without said, that's basically it. And now we're going to move into painting because I want my room to be a new color. First off, I'm going to take off the wallpaper by using water and a scraper. This was some hard work, okay? And then my friend Ade came over to help me paint because it took me 3 days to decide if I wanted to paint. Like, I already got the paint and everything, but I wasn't like, I just needed someone to come and help me. So my good friend Ade came, and I cannot thank him enough because he literally came and made, like, it was that morning that I did the wallpapers and everything, and he came and he kind of like forced me to just get the work started, because if it was left to me, I would have procrastinated until this moment when I'm making this video. I wouldn't have still painted. But yeah, we did the paint in a day, and I was really shocked because I thought it was going to take longer than that. And this is what the room looks like. It was so beautiful, I could cry. Okay guys, so we are done with the painting. I'm so excited, like, my room is coming together. Yeah, so everything just scattered, but I want my paint, like, I want the paint to actually get dry, so I'll leave it for tonight. I think I'm going to go out and sleep out, so I'll leave it for tonight. Tomorrow we're going to come back and we're going to see what else I can do to improve the look of my room. Oh yeah, also I need to find an electrician and a carpenter. I will say plumber, but it's not like I'm building a house from scratch. Okay, so this is a paint when it has really dried. I was going for like an off gray, like a whitish gray. If I was going for white, but I didn't want it to be boring white, so I made it to be like whitish gray. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So I did, like, I blocked all of the places out that I didn't want the paint to go on, because I was using oil paint for this one, and I basically used this black oil paint on all the wooden surfaces in my room. I repainted my bed, I repainted my wardrobe, like the solid part of my wardrobe. I repainted my door, I repainted my window sills. I was just crazy. I don't know if it was the paint fumes that I was inhaling in this video, but I was just crazy with painting that I almost painted everything in my room black. I even painted my table black, but the table did not really take to the paint very well, so I kind of had to like leave it halfway. But this is what I got, and as you can see, I'm just here painting. I did a lot of the work in the room myself, except for the electrician coming to help me out, and then Ade, my friend, coming to help me paint, because I had to change where the switches were in my room if I wanted to like really affect the way I wanted my room to look like. But with that said, I did a lot of the painting myself because I was trying to maximize costs and splurge on other things like buying fabric and other stuff. But yeah, basically here I am just painting and painting away and doing more painting. It was a bit of therapeutic plus growing mad, because I actually liked the painting, but again I was really just tired and I wasn't even just having it. But at the end of the day, the painting came out really good. It just put that final touch and it just put everything together, and I actually liked how everything came on. So I'm just going to show you a sneak peek of the room. All of the stuff in my room was DIY by myself. I made the blinds, I made my duvet, I repainted, I made my headboards myself. So anything that you're seeing in this sneak peek that you want me to do a video on explicitly, I will do a video on it. That's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, I love you guys. In my next video, bye.